Hello fellows, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, you're going to watch Melbourne's iconic Eureka Tower and 360-degree view of Melbourne City from Eureka Skydeck 88 and many more. So let's get started. Eureka Tower, a 297.3 meter or 975 feet skyscraper located in the South Bank Crescent of Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Construction began in August 2002. The plaza was finished in June 2006 and the building was officially opened on 11th October 2006. It is currently the third tallest building in Australia, behind the Q1 in Queensland and Australia 108 in Melbourne also. As of 2016, it was the 15th tallest residential building in the world. Hello friends, welcome to Eureka Skydeck. The observation deck, Eureka Skydeck 88, occupies the entire 88th floor of the Eureka Tower and is the highest public vantage point in a building in the southern hemisphere at 285 meter or 935 feet. The Skydeck features 30 viewfinders that help visitors to pinpoint numerous significant landmarks around all parts of Melbourne, along with several binoculars. There is a small outside area called the terrace, which is closed in high winds. There is also a glass cube called the edge, which extends itself from the building to hang over the edge of the tower and add to the viewing experience. The edge, which projects 3 meter or 9.8 feet out from the building with visitors inside, suspended almost 300 meter or 980 feet above the ground. When one enters, the glass is opaque as the cube moves out over the edge of the building. Once fully extended over the edge, the glass becomes clear. Eureka Skydeck gets set to host the highest silent kids disco ever staged in the world. The silent disco will be a world first chance for kids to gather their mates and dance under the disco lights with an unparalleled backdrop of the cityscape. Located on the top floor of the Eureka Tower, Eureka 89 Dining and Events is a restaurant, cocktail bar, and event space. Eureka 89's location on the tower's top floor makes it the Southern Hemisphere's highest restaurant and bar. Sharing my experience in Eureka Skydeck. The Eureka Tower is amazing. The Melbourne city view is spectacular from Eureka Skydeck. Excellent way to see more than you could imagine. The nighttime views of the city is unforgettable. Must go there at nighttime. The age experience was awesome, thrilling. It certainly is one of the best tourist destinations in Melbourne, Australia. Here I want to share one interesting story, the Eureka Bee story. The 13 golden bees of the Eureka Tower represent a sense of community and prosperity. There is one queen bee and 12 worker bees. The bees represent the resident of the tower, and the tower itself represents the hive of the bees. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoy this video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified next time I upload a video. Stay well. Bye. See you in my next video.